Alright, what's up guys? Today we are opening up 8 super electric breaker packs. And it's gonna be still kind of a quick video. But comment, like, subscribe, share. Try to get myself up in the algorithm. We're still doing that giveaway at 100, but as of right now, I got like no comments, so I don't know. I might not even be giving it away at 100, but as so far, I will still keep it going. I just need a few people to comment, and to where it can be at least a somewhat competitive giveaway. But with the first one. Alright, Helioptile, Spheal, Primate, and I can't remember if this is Mistspirit or a Self. Or Crydon. That's a good one for the first pack. Okay, Mankey, Slackoth, Larvesta, I don't even know what that one is. Delibird, the Boyd. Okay, pack number 3. Okay, Fuecoco, Bronzong, Vigoroth. I can't remember what that one is. It evolves from Celio and Spheal. 4. Zangoose. Yeah, Mistspirit, I think, or Zelf. I don't know. Execute. Annihilate. Man, trying to get that Pikachu is hard as heck. Okay, Mankey. I forget. It evolves from Dino. What? Oranguru. Terrapagos. Three packs left. This is gonna be a short video. 5. Okay, Kecleon, Vampy. Can't remember Larvesta's evolution. And Chien-Pao. So many Chien-Paos. Even though he's one of my favorite Pokemon, but pack number 7. Oh man. Okay, Scatterbug, Yamask, Glimmet. Oh, Slaking EX. Not bad. Decent pull. Something. It's like a freaking 50-cent card. And last pack magic. Okay, Rotom, Scatterbug, I don't know, Cinescorch, is that what it's called? And Skeledoige. Dang. Well, 2 hits out of the 8. Not bad, not bad. You know what I might do I might do a collection video. One, two, three, four, five, six. You know what's crazy is, so I opened up a booster box and I got maybe 8 hollows out of 30 packs. And just in these 8 packs, I got 4 hollows. Like, I could just mean these kind of hollows, like not counting the ARs and stuff. I got maybe 8 to 10 max. It was crazy, but yo, Miss Spirit, I think. No, I don't think it's itself. I think it's Miss Spirit. But yo, thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share. But yeah, get those comments in, cause as of right now, yeah, we might not even be giving away this Silver Tempest ETB because nobody's commenting. But yep, sounds good. Thank you guys. Peace.